The exponential digitalization of everything, including our workspaces, has created lucrative opportunities for attackers. Perimeters are fading. IT infrastructures are becoming more interconnected. The attack surface is drastically expanding. Adversaries are deploying various threat vectors, and security teams are bombarded by alerts. To be prepared for the upcoming attack, you need to anticipate a hacker's next move. This is where Help AG's Red Teaming Assessment comes in. Our Red Team conducts highly focused and multifaceted attacks that simulate real-life threats. We put your organizational defenses to the test by targeting your people, technology, and physical security via all means available, ranging from utilizing deception techniques, phishing and malware, to physical intrusion, bypassing EDR solutions, and performing lateral movement. All this and more to identify entry points and prioritize risks, discover security gaps, examine how secure your critical assets are, test your existing SOC capabilities, and improve your cyber resilience. Red teaming is not only about identifying security weaknesses, but it is also an attempt to think outside the box. Beat the cyber attackers at their own game with Help AG's Red Team.